Hello, my people. I greet the full as from untouchable mama. Also, now they fine. Now do what una tell them to they share, comment, like. God go bless you. I really appreciate you now. Well. My people, we are still on it to. I know say Gbovo with his wife. Then they shake the media. Not be small thing. After all this video wey Gbovo don dey do, even he say his wife don send am go hospital. My people, his wife don come out come talk her own side wetin really happen. Say she no even knack the cutlass for him head. I go play am for una. We go lis ten to wetin his wife get to talk, because according to Gbovo, he say no be prank. Say na wetin really dey happen to am for inside house. Say he cry come out. Say he no fit use him family take dem do prank for social media. Say na that one na dey reign for many people now to just dey like make we come do prank to get content. So now his wife come and say na true. Say she send them him husband come out for her. Say you no go enter this house. Say because of say the man dey lie to am. He go outside. They carry different women. They sleep outside. Sometimes he go come the next day. Sometimes he go say he go do some you understand all this comedy wey dem dey do. He say so he come no say he dey lie. Say na woman na because of woman na they stay outside. Say not be all this lie wetin dey lie for am. So na make her send her out. Say you no go enter this house. That one na the first video wey be say e happen to them, where many people come dey like okay they don start their prank, because many people will not quick even notice say maybe na real or not be real. Because for me still dey think am say na real na comedy dem dey do, because normally if you get misunderstanding with your husband or with your wife, you get a family wey you go talk to. Now when be say a family not come like talk to you or something like that, you come dey vex, without vaccination, you fit enter live video say I wanna see wetin I dey pass through, wanna give me some advice. I need that because everybody not still need, everybody not know am too much, but according to him now, he say not be prank, because me still dey talk and say if you know say you get misunderstanding with your woman, why be say na not fair tell the family? Abi the family don tell you say you don marry carry go. Now you know wetin you wan use am to. I don't know. So may we listen to the wife wetin she talk about this hospital wey be say Gbovo go. May we listen to wetin she wan talk.
My people,
this one na wife.
This
one na wife.
You see this matter, it don't dey tire me. If I say make I talk, now people will come dey talk say, why me they do this kind of thing? Why me they do this kind of thing? Because don't they pay me? Don't they pay me? So I say my come talk am. Make everybody know. Yes, I pursue my husband with machete, but I no use the machete on him. I tell you that wetin happen yesterday. My husband comot for us because after that quarrel wey people come settle us finish, he come drive comot. As he come comot, I no know say na fight na he carry go meet Emeka for road, because me no come dey. Na people come dey cover for there say see wetin me cause. Say my husband and Emeka go dey fight for road. Say Emeka use, I don't know what he use on them. I don't even know the object where he use it down for head. Now my husband.
That very day when with brother Mike they drag their self, that one carry what he carry self? He carry rubber. May I see whether I go even see the video? May I show now? He carry rubber. You understand that jerrycan rubber, okay? He carry jerrycan rubber. Me like say he knock am for his head. May I see am? Because this one where she dey talk so not be lie, because she not knock am that even cutlass self. He not knock am, no. He not knock am at all. See now. They come here show now again. This one are the video where we say So my people, me I show una the video where she dey talk about just now, when she say she no knack am anything. So na brother Mike na him knack am something. Me I show una. And they come here show una again, okay? Because she not lie for them. And they come here show una. I'm gonna wait, my people. Jonathan. Jonathan. I show una again. You see, that one at the video. If I remember, I go still put some click for here, Mona for Sian. So for that one where she dey talk, say she not knack am, that class, she not really knack am. Because if you go watch the time where be say, if they pursue and say me come for inside house. So the time where she dey say me come for inside house, me I show una the video. Now see say he not use that class in knack am. Let me watch am. Jonathan. She hold her class, not true. Say she hold something. But she not use that. Now see, I use that and knock door. Okay? Then we watch her again. Now see, I use that and knock door. So if I remember, I'll still put the click for him. So Mona look at. You not use that and knock am. Okay? So may we listen to wait till she get to talk. Because it good make people know all these things. Because his wife not send am go hospital. Okay? Now the time when be saying with brother Mike, they drag themselves. That one carry jerry can, blue jerry can. Use that take hit am for head. Okay? Yeah, me with the play and they go.
They pay me. So I say my come talk. Maybe
Yes, yeah.
why me they do this kind of thing? Why me they do this kind of thing? Because don't they pay me? They pay me. So I say my come talk. Make everybody know. Yes, I pursue my husband with machete, but I no use the machete on him. My tell you na wetin happen yesterday. My husband come out for us because after that quarrel wey people come settle us finish, he come drive come out. As he come out, I don't know say na fight na he carry go meet Emeka for road. Because me no come dey, na people come dey call for phone dey say see wetin me cause. Say my husband and Emeka go dey fight for road. Say Emeka use, I don't know what he use on am. I don't even know the object where he use hit am for head. Now my husband come go hospital.
No dey talk say na she.
Come dey tell people say na me use machete on me.
You don't use am.
You know why me they talk this to me? They pay me.
This one
They pay me because
na Gbovo
I
wife.
don't receive calls from people say why me go use machete on my husband. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm pained. Like my heart is falling. This whole drama is getting tired. I'm getting tired of it. I'm trying to get myself. Okay, so you can't go hospital. Can't go they make video. Put that camera away before I will slap you. You can't make video say I was the one that used the machete on him. Though I'm not surprised because they have been lying all this while. So this one is, I'm not shocked. You can say.
My people, the one when me they talk about say they don't get family. The time where Gbovo go say you want marry this woman, no, the family not be go meet. And this woman now where be say she can't talk her outside. The good as she talk her outside because the man don't they talk and they go say na his wife na use her. Use this thing called class say you know because we see and say not be she. If I remember, I'll put the clip for you, Mona. Okay? But this woman now, she's supposed to still talk to the family of Gbovo, say, Bona see what he as a Gbovo they do, it don't change the character or this one, that one, you know. If maybe later they come carry and go on social media, we go still understand. So okay, they don't talk to their family. But this one wey be say they carry come make social media, come settle one. We not get wetin we want settle. Now wetin we see, now we go dey talk for social media. The wetin you bring come out for this one, wetin you bring come out for the other side. Now we go dey talk. Now we get where we get. Now we get where we go dey talk. We go tell this one say don't do. Go tell the family. If this one don't do, go tell the family. If they not here, wetin come concern us for this side. So I just say me I bring am come make we for here because the woman still can't talk her own side. Okay. Gbovo say not be prank o, say na real na wetin in dey pass through for inside. Say make we come rescue am, but we no fit rescue am. Wetin we go fit do? Say go tell the family. Now we go still fit do. Thank you, my people. God bless you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. I go still dey give una updates for everything where they come out. Okay, una bye bye for now.